Good morning, dear students. Dear students, in the previous class, we studied that is what do you mean by triangle and also properties of triangle, types of triangle. We are classified on the basis of angles, on the basis of measurement angles, and also on the basis of sides, and also we studied the concept of median and also perpendicular bisector. So triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertex. That is a polygon with three sides having three angles, three vertex and three sides. ಮೂರು ಬಾಹುಗಳು ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮೂರು ಕೋನಗಳು ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತವನ್ನು ನಾವು ತ್ರಿಭುಜಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So on the basis of sides, triangles are classified into scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. On the basis of angle, right angle triangle, acute angle triangle and equilateral triangle. So median means a point which divides the baseline, that is a point on the from the vertex from. So in simple word, that is midpoint is called as a line joining from the vertex of a point to the midpoint of the opposite side. Opposite side na ಒಂದು ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ನ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ previous class. Today we shall move on to the next one in that same chapter, that is the triangle and its properties, but we shall move on to the next one, that is altitudes of a triangle. Altitudes of a triangle. So we shall study this one. So in these altitudes of a triangle, so don't forget the concept of median of a triangle and altitude of a triangle. These two are different. Altitude means height of a triangle. Median means a point from vertex point that divides the opposite line into exact center, that is midpoint of the opposite line, joining a line from a vertex point to the midpoint of the opposite side of the given line. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ altitude height of the triangle, ಒಂದು ತ್ರಿಭುಜದ ಎತ್ತರವನ್ನು ನಾವು altitude ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So altitude of a triangle. So see dear students, so triangle from ear to ear. So this is the height of the triangle. For example, how to calculate the height of the person means, ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್. ಅದೇ ಥರನಾಗಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ದು ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಟು ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 1 2 3 sides, 1 2 3 angles. ನೋಡಿ yes, they given. So from ear to ear, this is called height of the triangle ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ height of the triangle, altitude. ಸೊ altitude of a triangle or height of a triangle ಎರಡು ಸೇಮೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ altitude of the given triangle. You take any triangles. Line segment drawn from a vertex perpendicular to its opposite side. So its opposite side ge highest height in the perpendicular line draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is called as altitude of a triangle. Ear from ear to ear, from ear to ear. ನೋಡಿ, so here are drawn from ear A to ear and C to ear. But midpoint means A in that line joins the exact center of the opposite line, center line divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ midpoint ಅಂತ. Altitude means height of the triangle from one vertex point to the base point ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ that is called height of the triangle. ಎತ್ತರ, ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ಎತ್ತರ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, highest end. Next, it's very important. How many altitudes can a triangle have? So triangle means that have only 3 vertices alwa, therefore a triangle have 3 altitudes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore a triangle can have 3 altitudes. So how many altitudes can a triangle have? A triangle have 3 altitudes, 1, B in the 2 and 3. Don't forget it, in the exam they will ask question for 1 marks, that is how many altitudes can a triangle have. So you should write a triangle can have 3 altitudes. And one concept, these are all have 90 degree ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈನ್ ಹೀಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, the symbol indicates that the new triangle formed is measurement is 90 degree. So here we take on different triangles alva. Yes, right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, this is obtuse angle triangle. So for these 3 we should construct an altitude. So here highest height ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, from this to straight line ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ altitude ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ from A point ಇಂದ straight line ಬಂದರೆ this is altitude ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But here don't write like this, straight line ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಹೀಗೆ straight line ಬಂದರೆ this is the altitude of the triangle, ಎತ್ತರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು. So ನೋಡೋಣ next. Yes, they written here. So from A to D straight line draw ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, see this is the previous, there is nothing, there is no line in this one. To calculate the altitude or to find the altitude we should draw a line from vertex point to the opposite baseline. So illinda illige opposite baseline we should draw a straight line from here to here, this is the altitude ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here this one, here from here to here. By extending this baseline, by extending this baseline, ಈ baseline extend ಮಾಡಿ from A to B, if you draw a straight line, this is called as altitude. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, this is altitude ಎತ್ತರ. here also from here to here ಎತ್ತರ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, from here to here, this is the altitude of a triangle. Altitude is nothing but height of a triangle. So ನೋಡಿ, this is the altitude. But ನೋಡಿ, from center to the midpoint of the baseline ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ this is median ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. from center to the midpoint of the baseline ಬಂದರೆ this is median ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. altitude ಅಂದರೆ that is the height of the triangle indicates, that indicates height of a triangle. Median means that join the line from vertex point to the midpoint of the baseline. Vertex point to the midpoint of the baseline bandre, that is called, this line is called as altitude median, and this height is called as altitude of a triangle. So in this one, exercise 6.1, this is the first exercise for in the chapter the properties of triangle and its properties are. So sir, in this main or in this exercise, what are the concept that covers means, so we studied median and also we studied altitude alva, eradu study madidvi, and also we studied types of triangles based on angles, based on sides, how many sides are there for the triangle and how many vertex are there for the triangle and how many angles for a triangle, and each triangle is a polygon. These are all concepts we have studied in this chapter, and in this concept. For this exercise 6.1 we are all studied those concepts. On the basis of those concepts, so they given 3 problems to solve. So on the basis that we shall solve these 3 problems. Okay, first one, question number 1. In triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. So this is the triangle PQ, last one will be there R. PQ and last one is R. This is the triangle PQR. And D is the midpoint of QR. QR is midpoint of the D. So midpoint means a line from the vertex point that join on the midpoint of the baseline. Baseline na on the midpoint ge line join agbeku. That must be start from opposite vertex point. So this D point is called as midpoint anta helidare. So they asked the question that PM is dash, PD is dash, is QM is equal to MR. PM, where is PM? PM straight line bandide alva. This is called ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಪಿ ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್, ಪಿ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಮ್ ಆರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಗಿವನ್ angle PMD, M alva. In triangle PMD, M is 90 degree. So 90 degree, this is the height of a given triangle. That is PM is altitude. Next one, PD is anta kottidare. So PD ಈಗ ಐ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದಲ್ವ, ಈ ಬೇಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಲೈನ್ into ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. therefore PD is median. given QD is equal to DR means PD is median. next is QM is equal to MR. QM ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ very small length will be there, but MR very big length will be there. But they asked the question, is QM is equal to MR. ಈ ಎರಡು ಲೆಂತ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ನೆವರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. QM is not equal to MR because QM length is very small measurement will be there, but MR have a very long measurement. Therefore no, QM is not equal to MR alva. Yes. Next, and second one, question number 2. Draw rough sketch for the following. That means we have to draw one rough sketch. Rough agi ಒಂದು triangle na draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so they given 3 questions. First A, in triangle ABC, BE is median. First we should draw one triangle ABC and we should next draw BE is a median. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ median BE ನೇ draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next second question, in triangle PQR, PQ and QR altitude of a triangle. So for the triangle PQR we should construct 2 altitudes. Next, in triangle XYZ, so next we should construct a triangle XYZ. In that YL is an altitude, so we should construct one altitude. The name of that altitude is YL. Dear students, here L means that comes outside the triangle, in the exterior of a triangle. So the given condition is in the exterior of the triangle. Triangle na ಹೊರಗಡೆ construction ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Answer for the first one, here BE is median in triangle ABC and AE is equal to EC. So for this one, from B to E construction ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. Yes, for that we should construct one, draw a triangle ABC. For this one we should construct a median from the point B. ನೋಡಿ, B ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ B to the opposite line. So ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, this median divides the base line into exact half. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ PQ and QR altitude of the triangle PQR. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಆಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, PQ and QR ಎರಡು ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ those two are right angle ಆಗಬೇಕು. So we should construct one right angle triangle. This is called right angle triangle. Why this is called right angle triangle? Means one of the angle measures 90 degree, remaining two ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಎರಡು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಹೈಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೈಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೈಟ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಸೊ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ನ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದಿಸ್ QP ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ RP ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ XYZ, YL ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಆಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ XYZ, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ XYZ. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ ಆಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಆಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ YL. So this is measurement is 90 degree. This is the second one. Third one, very easy. Verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. So here we have to verify. ತಾಳೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ? by drawing a diagram. We should draw one diagram. If the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same, which type of triangle we should draw? Means they already given the clue. We should draw isosceles triangle. Ide clue ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So dear students, isosceles triangle means or isosceles triangle means equilateral means all sides are same. Iso means two sides are same ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಎರಡು ಬಾಹುಗಳು ಸಮವಾಗಿರ್ತವೆ. So isosceles triangle means any two sides are same. So they already given the same condition. Isosceles triangle means any two sides are same. So here we taken AB and BC are the two sides which are always same. So condition, take triangle ABC and draw the median when AB is equal to AC. So we should draw a median. To draw the median, we should start from vertex point to the opposite side that divides into exact half. That is called midpoint. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ AB is equal to AC ಇರಬೇಕು. Why means the given condition is isosceles triangle. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ A ಇಂದ BC ಲೈನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ? ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಯಿತಾ? ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ AL is the median and altitude of the given triangle. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ AL ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು altitude of the triangle ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That means, dear students, in an isosceles triangle, the median and altitude is same. Median ಮತ್ತು altitude same ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. In which type of triangle? Means isosceles triangle. In a right angle triangle, altitude means one side of the right angle triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ one side ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ that is the altitude of a triangle ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇನ್ obtuse angle triangle ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ altitudes that comes outside the triangle by existing the baseline. baseline ನಾನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? expand ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So these are the three problems, dear students, in exercise 6.1 in the chapter triangle and its properties. In this 6.1 totally 3 problems comes. That is question number 1. So first one, second one, third one, these are the 3 problems what we have solved. Okay. Yes, thank you students.